I'm literally rambling up these rocks. Right now, me and Ash are at the sticky waterfall. We just climbed up it, that's why I'm already late in my swimming talks, but we climbed up it with, like, I had my backpack on because we didn't think that, like, we thought we could leave our stuff somewhere, but you really can't here. So we went back to the car. We had a very treacherous hike up the waterfall, and now we've left our stuff in the car with the guy that brought us here, and we're gonna do it again because we still have an hour here. And it was really fun, and I was like, afterwards, I was like, that would make such a good vlog. So here we are. So there's like a trillion steps to get down, but you walk all the way down to the bottom, and then there's 4 waterfalls to climb up. It's actually sick. I'm burning my feet right now on the wood. We're at the bottom of the waterfalls, so that's where you start, but we just have to go like up and around. We went on this waterfall last time, but there's this way harder one. It's like really steep, so we're gonna do that one this time, now that we don't have a million things. My apologies in advance for the camera work, this is not gonna be pretty. It's so beautiful here, like the forest and the water. The water is so cool, and it's really hot right now, so it's really good. So we've made it up the first waterfall, so only 3 more to go. This is the next one. The waterfall like is actually sticky, by the way. Like, it's not like sticky, but it's like so, like, it's like sandpaper basically. And your feet like don't move when they're on it. It's so strange, but it's so cool. Just stubbed my toe on a rock. So we've gone up the second one now, we're on to the third. That was so crazy steep. I'm literally rambling up these rocks. But this one still isn't even done. I've still got to climb up here. There's a rope, but I'm feeling pretty professional now. I don't think I need it. Sometimes the rocks can get kind of slippery, but there's like people sitting on the rocks like scrubbing them so that they go stick again. Whoa. I also miscounted along the way. That was actually the last waterfall of the 4. That's the view at the top. It's so pretty. That's my scratch knee. We're not gonna go up it again, but we have half an hour left here, so we're going down to the second waterfall, and we're just gonna like sit in the little, there's like a little pool bit that you can sit in. It's nearly time for us to go back up, so we're climbing up the waterfall again. We're back at the hostel now and we're absolutely exhausted. Thanks for watching.